started with a small project in 3,000 square feet.
Wow.
In Sangli.
Okay.
And that's how the first delivery when it was happening, we could see the happiness on the face of people who have bought.
Wow.
घर एक ऐसी चीज होती है ना जिसमें से सुकून मिलता है.
करेक्ट.
तो वो we were kids, हम छोटे थे उस टाइम पे, पर वो जो माहौल था इतना अच्छा लग रहा था कि we thought we should take this forward. So we have a lot of customers who are still in connect. The older, whenever we launch, they are there with us. बोलते हैं ना कि किसी 10 साल जूने घर जिसको दिया है हमने, वो अगर आज भी हमको बोला कि चाय पिलाता है तो that is trust.
Correct. Hello everyone. So today we are at Rohit Group. We are taking podcast of two young leaders of Rohit Group, Rohit Motwani and Rajiv Motwani. Rohit is Director Sales and Rajiv is Director at Rohit Group. Both are very experienced and Rohit has joined almost 10 years back this business and Rajiv is almost 20 years plus into real estate. So let's start the podcast. Welcome Rohit and Rajiv on our podcast.
Thank you. Welcome.
Yes, we are really looking forward for this podcast. Rajiv, starting with you, what is the vision of your company?
So vision of the company is to deliver more and more with a clean construction, timely deliveries.
Okay.
So that's how we name our project also 108.
Wow.
Where 108 comes for being the number one in town.
Correct.
With 0 defects and infinity of growth with 8.
Wow.
So that's what we envision our company at.
Super. You would like to add anything?
I think deliveries play a major role into whatever we do because that is where the customer gains a lot of confidence.
Correct.
जब भी कोई कस्टमर आता है वो हमेशा आपके पुराने प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में पूछता है कि
Correct.
पहले दिया क्या,
कौन सा डिलीवर किया,
क्या दिया है, हम वो देख सकते हैं.
हाँ.
सो वो बहुत बड़ी और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ हो सकती है.
करेक्ट.
कोई भी चीज़ करने में. सो वी बिलीव इन दैट कि डिलीवरी होना बहुत ज़रूरी है और बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से हुआ तो उसका बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म में फ़ायदा मिल जाता है.
Correct. If you create a wow impact in the mind of the audience, definitely it creates a trust in the market.
Absolutely.
Now coming to how did your journey as a company begin? रोहित ग्रुप की शुरुआत कब से हुई थी?
So the journey began from the year 1996.
Okay.
We are the second generation into this.
Okay.
Our fathers, my father, Rohit's father and uncle, they started the company.
Okay.
We started with a small project in 3,000 square feet.
Wow.
In Sangli.
Okay.
And that's how the first delivery when it was happening, we could see the happiness on the face of people who have bought.
Wow.
घर एक ऐसी चीज होती है ना जिसमें से सुकून मिलता है.
करेक्ट.
तो वो we were kids, हम छोटे थे उस टाइम पे, पर वो जो माहौल था इतना अच्छा लग रहा था कि we thought we should take this forward. Then we got our education completed. We went to worked with in hospital. I worked in hospitality.
Okay.
Then when the technology was changing and we needed our first generation needed supportive hands and speed, that's where we entered.
Wow.
And we took it from there.
Superb.
Yes.
We actually come from a very diverse background. Rajiv is a hotelier.
Okay.
I personally was a cricketer.
Wow.
My other brother was a BCom student.
Okay.
So बहुत अलग-अलग जगहों से आके ये एक ब्लेंड बना है रोहित ग्रुप का. तो मेरी भी जर्नी कुछ ऐसी थी कि जहाँ पे I was playing cricket, I was a professional cricketer, was a captain of Maharashtra.
Wow.
Led Maharashtra for Ranji Trophy for 6-7 years.
Super.
And then, as Rajiv said, when the technology changed, when our parents or the elder generation needed support, so that is when we joined. We came together and we are taking things forward from it.
Superb. That's how it becomes unique. Rajiv brings in hospitality,
yes.
Right? Because in every industry, hospitality matters. कि आप कैसे ध्यान रखते हो अपने कस्टमर का. You bring in the attitude, the killing attitude कि भाई टाइम पे खतना है, डिलीवर करना है. Team spirit, right? That's what sports teaches, right?
True.
And the third brother who was BCom, so he brings finance. So I think वो जो मुट्ठी बनती है ना, एक उंगली अगर एक ही साइज रहेगा तो नहीं बनती है. Proper now it's a complete package.
Combination. हर चीज से कैसे डिलीवरी अच्छी हो सकती है.
Correct.
हर एक बंदे का क्या रोल है उसमें. Because एक जन का काम नहीं है.
Agreed.
Delivering multiple homes to multiple people.
Correct.
So every aspect has to be taken care.
Correct.
So it is distributed within us.
Correct, definitely.
Yes.
So that's what makes Rohit Group unique.
Yes.
Because different experience, different experts, दैट्स व्हाट एक्चुअली कस्टमर वांट्स टुडे.
Right.
जो CA फॉर्म भी होती है तो उसमें हर CA, CS, lawyer,
Yes.
right? So all different experts are there. That's why it becomes unique. So I think this sector also, the more experts are there, the more
It's a team game.
team game.
It's not an individual thing anymore.
Correct.
It's a very very team game where you need a blend of everything.
Correct.
All these diverse roles come together and blend one product, which is delivered in a very unique way.
Correct. Correct. Now, Rohit, coming to you, how do you see the real estate journey as such? कैसे इवॉल्व हो रहा है मार्केट?
जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था, आई जॉइंड रियल एस्टेट इन 2017.
ओके.
That time the requirement of a buyer was very budget oriented homes. उस टाइम पे लोगों को उतने they were not concerned about amenities or other lifestyle activities in their society. They just were focused on their house. But post COVID, what I have seen is people are more into a lifestyle societies. They want everything in house. Whether it is gym, whether it is swimming pool, so they want each and everything. It should all be inclusive.
Correct.
Because overall the travel times have increased so much in Pune. Whether you want to go anywhere, so everybody wants to save their time, and everybody wants, each and every customer wants everything under one roof.
Correct.
So that they won't be able to go outside and they could feel inclusive plus have a secured atmosphere within the society.
Correct.
So that is the major shift that I have seen since I have joined and since post COVID.
Correct.
The entire dynamics have changed and people are preferring that. Earlier it was more of a standalone simple buildings, but today everybody needs a lifestyle.
Correct. Everybody
That
needs
is a major
luxury.
shift. Yeah.
Yes.
Luxury is the biggest thing.
Especially वो कोविड टाइम पे people have seen the worst time.
Absolutely.
And now people are like ज़्यादा बचाने से अच्छा है let's enjoy life as well, because you don't know when you will be going, when next time is coming. So people, rather than saving mindset, it has become spending and enjoy the life mindset.
True. Very
because people feel uncertainty बहुत है.
correct.
Let's enjoy.
The efficiency of time has got very important
Okay.
post COVID. So the demand for customer is they want technology in their houses,
Correct.
they want speed deliveries,
Correct.
and they want a class.
Wow.
So earlier people were just focused on a house. घर मिलना चाहिए.
घर normal घर
हमको
चाहिए
अपनी
रहने.
छत चाहिए.
हाँ.
आज they have gone beyond it. उनको सिर्फ घर नहीं चाहिए, उनको एक लाइफस्टाइल चाहिए और स्पीड में चाहिए विद टेक्नोलॉजी. आज पूना हैज बीन डेवलप्ड अ लॉट विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. IT has come up. People have started before COVID. We never saw work from home.
Correct.
So that culture has come in where time has become efficiency. Like you don't have to travel too much. So how can you fit everything in that one place?
Correct.
The home is not a home. It is a home come office, come activity center. So that is where I see कि जो 10 साल पहले हम flats बनाते थे और आज so it has to come in a package.
Correct.
Earlier clubs were the key. Now a club in the in the project is a key.
Correct.
Yeah.
So that's a big change.
It's a big
People are
change.
willing to pay maintenance as well. People's mindset was कि यार maintenance ज़्यादा होता है.
Correct.
Now people are willing to spend on maintenance.
Money is not a factor anymore. People want class. They
Class.
want facility. They are ready to pay. The lifestyle has gone up. Their spending power has gone up.
Correct.
People are ready to pay, provided you give them a good quality, a good construction, and a good facility project.
Correct. Correct. Coming to the next question, Rajiv, what is your perspective about the Pune real estate market?
It's fantastic. I see Pune being a next metro.
Wow.
Like infrastructure projects, like we have a ring road which is upcoming. We have a big metro network which is going to start soon. Airport coming in.
Airport new coming in.
New airport coming in. And Pune is a city where will be a center of two big airports. With the Navi Mumbai airport and the Purandar. So we are right in the center.
Correct.
The accessibility from east to west, we have choices to go.
Correct.
So with this kind of infrastructure, Pune is the next big thing to happen. And the biggest thing is Bombay, close to Bombay.
Close to vicinity to
So
Bombay.
one of the biggest cities of India, the financial capital. So Pune is like, it's in the golden place as if now.
Correct.
And
Yes.
we see with coming up with a golden future as well.
Correct. Yesterday only I was reading a research that in last 5 years, Pune is in the entire country, Pune sold highest number of units, 4.5 lakh units.
4,28,500
Wow.
units.
So and data.
Yes.
So
just imagine without all this infrastructure, Pune has sold so much. With this infrastructure, with new airport, just imagine ये number कहाँ जाएगा, right?
Sky is the limit.
Sky is the limit.
Pune has always been on top since several years.
Correct.
I think there's a very rich culture, a good history, a good climate, a good proximities to major cities.
Climate is the
ports.
biggest reason.
So we are in one of the best locations. I think we are born with a cosmic lottery.
Wow.
And I think it was always an educational hub. So you cannot take that away from Pune. Education will never ever go from Pune.
Correct.
So that is the biggest essence of Pune. मतलब उसके वजह से जाना जाता है Pune.
Because getting human resources is very easy in Pune because the education is so good in Pune.
Absolutely. And आज से नहीं, आप
बहुत सालों से.
50 साल पीछे चले जाइए.
हाँ.
जब पूना कुछ भी नहीं था तो लोग फिर भी पढ़ाई करने तो यहाँ आते ही थे. सो वो इसेंस है पूना में. तो आई थिंक जैसे राजीव ने बताया कि इंफ्रा, अब देखते देखते वी हैव सीन अनदर एक्सप्रेस हाईवे गेटिंग सैंक्शनड.
Correct.
व्हिच इज कनेक्टिंग बॉम्बे पुणे प्लस इट विल गो अप टिल सातारा, यू नो,
Correct.
टुवर्ड्स बैंगलोर.
Correct.
सो मतलब जिस हिसाब से पूना बढ़ेगा, I think it is, I don't see मतलब you know it is going to stop or something. You just have
Correct.
to
So
ride
next
with
50
these-
years minimum Pune के है growth. Because a lot of good land is also available. And the best part about Pune is growing from all the side. It's not कि सिर्फ west grow हो रहा है या east grow हो रहा है, east west north south सब तरफ से grow हो रहा है.
As I said earlier also, Pune is surrounded by good infrastructure and good cities.
Correct.
So it has a 4-dimensional growth. Now we are being surrounded by 5 big MIDCs. If you see Hinjawadi is on towards the west. On towards the east we have a consumer goods like Shirwal on the other side. One is Sanaswadi.
Correct.
Other side is Chakan, Talegaon. So Pune is the center of all these MIDCs.
Correct. Correct.
The inflow is flowing from all the sides.
All the sides.
And land is not a restriction. We can grow till whatever we want.
Correct.
With all the good supportive terrains, there is no terrain where it is difficult for construction also. And overall, Pune, it's not only a city which is good for living, it has so many event based. Like if you are you're working a lot and you want a break, within an hour's drive you can reach anywhere.
Yes, yes.
You have multiple spots.
This is the biggest advantage of Pune.
So any other city, comparing to any other city, Pune has an advantage over studies, over tracks, over leisure,
Correct.
over scenic places,
Scenic places.
and multiple things.
हाँ.
So we have got a package.
Correct.
Now anyone who's looking for everything, Pune is a city they need to choose.
Correct.
I'll give you one example over here. There was a common friend of ours. So I was having a discussion. So as Rajiv said that, you know, within 1 hour you can reach anywhere. So he was fond of trekking, you know. तो वो मुझे बता रहे थे कि पूना यार ऐसा है ना, 1 घंटे में मैं पहाड़ पे चढ़ सकता हूँ.
Correct.
मैं 1 घंटा अगर सिटी से बाहर जाऊंगा ना, तो मैं पहाड़ पे चढ़ लूंगा. क्योंकि मुझे पहाड़ बहुत पसंद है.
Wow.
Whereas मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ. दिल्ली में मुझे अगर पहाड़ों पे जाना है ना, तो मुझे 9 घंटे ड्राइव करके जाना पड़ता है, जो कि हिमाचल है, उत्तराखंड है.
Correct.
तो पूना का वो पार्ट आप कभी नहीं ले सकते.
कभी नहीं ले सकते.
So you have Mulshi, you have Western Ghats, you have everything.
Correct. Correct.
You name it, you can reach any.
And beach is also just around 3.5 hours journey.
2 hours. Bombay now with
हाँ.
missing link
अलीबाग
you
से
can reach
तो हाँ.
in 2
हाँ.
hours.
Correct.
आज we have been doing meetings, we have been going around Bombay and coming back within half
A day. Within a day you can come back. Meeting करी वापस आ गए.
The connectivity is the key.
Correct. 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 Superb. Superb. So next question: how do you build as a Rohit Group? How do you build trust in the mind of your customer? What systems, what process do you have which builds trust in the minds of customers?
See, as we, whenever the customer, so one point as I said that deliveries play a major role. जो आपने पास्ट में जो भी चीज़ें डिलीवर की है वो एक ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करती है.
Correct.
Plus, we use a lot of technology in our current project, which is called Navigo, which
Okay.
is something where we show each and every we can show each and every apartment, we can show the amenities right from basement till the top floor.
Wow.
So that is one technology that we kind of use. So that is where a trust is built, because now it is no more that a person has to imagine their flat on the piece of paper. बहुत ऐसे देखा गया है कि काफ़ी लोगों को रियल एस्टेट ऑन पेपर समझ में नहीं आता है.
Correct. Correct.
यू नो वो 10x10 के छोटे वॉल्स या 10x11 10x12 का छोटा रूम वो पेपर पे नहीं समझ में आता है. बट वी हैव अ टेक्नोलॉजी इन आवर सेल्स ऑफिस वेयर वी कैन शो देम we can make them visualize their dream house from whichever floor they want to see.
Wow.
So whether it is in day, night, rains, or whatever.
Superb.
Whether they want to do, whether they believe in Vastu, so they can completely relate with the positionings of their beds or the living areas, everything.
Okay.
तो वो टेक्नोलॉजी के कारण वो ट्रस्ट काफी अच्छा बिल्ड होता है एंड बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंसी से हम दिखाते हैं.
Okay.
जो चीज क्लब हाउस के फॉर एग्जांपल सामने आती है तो वो सामने ही आती है. बहुत सारे डेवलपर्स वो चीज हाइड कर देते हैं कि सेकंड थर्ड फ्लोर वाले वो क्लब हाउस के सामने आते हैं. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टेक्नोलॉजी यू कैन नॉट हाइड एनीथिंग.
Correct.
Whatever inventory is available that you can show and the customer takes the decision there and there.
Superb.
So that is the most important.
Because now real estate is experience based. जितना आप experience दोगे
Correct.
और real life दिखाओगे कैसा दिखेगा आपका घर, तो definitely he is in a better position to take decisions.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Of course, adding to all these points, these are mandatory to show it to the new customer. But I also feel trust doesn't come overnight
Correct.
just by saying.
Correct.
It is, I will again go to the generation one.
Okay.
It starts from there.
Correct.
So whenever a customer who has bought an apartment from us at that time and he comes again and he's still connected to us, that is where we call trust.
Wow.
So we have a lot of customers who are still in connect. The older, whenever we launch, they are there with us. बोलते हैं ना कि किसी 10 साल जूने घर जिसको दिया है हमने, वो अगर आज भी हमको बुला के चाय पिलाता है तो दैट इज ट्रस्ट.
Correct. Super. So that's the brand value which you have built.
ऑफ कोर्स.
Correct. Correct. तो brand बनने को टाइम लगता है, जैसा you said, it takes time.
Slowly.
It's not over.
Slowly you have to keep doing right things in the right direction, then the brand builds.
Absolutely.
Superb.
Yes.
Now coming to the world of realtors, what is the importance of realtor in today's market scenario?
ये तो यार मेरे लिए बहुत मतलब अच्छा सवाल पूछा है आपने. सी दे आर अ एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली.
Correct.
हम जैसे चैनल पार्टनर्स बोलते हैं तो दे आर पार्टनर्स. हमारी सेल्स टीम जो है ना वो हमारी लैंडलाइन फोन है.
Correct.
और हमारे जो रियलेटर्स है ना ये हमारे मोबाइल फोन है.
Correct.
जिनको वायर नहीं बंधी हुई है.
Very good
They
metaphor.
can go out and get business and we have that relation with the realtors. So I will just sum it up with a landline and a mobile phone.
Wow. Superb. Good metaphor actually.
No, actually, I always believe that there are extended sales team.
Correct.
See, एक sales team होती है जो घर बैठे काम करती है और एक होते हैं front runners होते हैं जो actual ground पे उनको reality पता होती है और वो लोग they know the pulse. They know the pulse of the market. They know what the customer exactly wants. So I think they are also the most important part of the industry.
In the overall industry, it's a tripartite agreement. Builder, buyer, and realtor.
Yes.
It's a package deal.
Correct.
Some sit in the office, some are on the field.
Correct.
So it's as simple as that.
Correct.
Yes.
Superb. Now coming to prop, as both of you know what is prop, you have also sponsored our event which is on 6th of July. What is the importance of an association like prop in the overall real estate market?
I understand one thing. We were connected to the city. Prop is taking it to multi-cities.
Wow.
So the vision has gone broader as the city is growing and a lot of people want to connect to Pune also.
Correct.
So it's a biggest channel which is getting an opening in other cities also.
Wow.
And we getting connected to POP is connecting to multiple cities, multiple investors, multiple brands, multiple channels to get development to the city.
Wow.
That is POP for us.
Superb. You would like to add anything?
I think I completely agree with Rajiv because to do it in a such a bigger scale, I think the city needs something of this sort. We always talk about Bangalore, Hyderabad. I think the initiative that you guys have taken as prop is something which is magnificent.
Correct.
And it will set the benchmarks of Pune, which we always look at Hyderabad or Bangalore or Mumbai for that matter. I think we need to be somewhere competing with them. Though we are highest sellers, no doubt about that in terms of units. But we have to keep beating that mark year by year.
Correct.
So from number of units to cost per unit
has to go up.
That is where the prop is
Correct.
stepping in.
Yes. Very well said. Now, if a person enters in the market today as a builder, and both of you are almost seasoned. You are also 10 years, and you must be also how many years, Rajiv?
16 years.
16 years, right? So if a person enters into the
20 years, I should say.
20 years, wow.
4 years was my training period.
Yes, that also matters because that experience, every experience matters in whatever you are doing today.
Everything counts.
Correct. Yes. So if a person enters into the business as a builder, not as a realtor, but as a builder, what advice you would love to give to him so that he can grow faster and not make unnecessary silly mistakes?
Don't go for overnight success.
Okay.
Go deep. Because depth is a key here. We are dealing with a product which is a dream for a person.
Okay.
That has to be delivered as he wants it. As the market suggests, that quality, that cannot come overnight. It has to get into that depth of it and get into that quality of it.
Correct.
So real estate is one where it can give you mountains of success, but it has to go step by step.
Yes.
You cannot skip a process here.
Correct.
So follow the process. Do not skip anything because shortcuts lead you to downfall in this sector.
Correct.
So take your time and go steady.
Wow. Superb. Anything from you?
I think as we all see all the national brands we aspire to be. As Rajiv rightly said that the success does not come overnight, but we always see that they are very successful. But an advice would be that you should always see the last 10 years of the hard work that they have done to achieve this kind of a success.
Correct.
We always see the end result of it. But we have not seen the process.
Correct.
So that process is very, very, very important. And that is where a brand is made or it is broken.
Correct.
So that process is very important, and it will, whoever wants to become a new builder, he needs to follow, he or she needs to follow that process.
Correct. So you mean to say direction is important, process is important. So once you follow these two, destination is just a matter of time. Correct. Superb. So now, as you all know that our event is there on 6th of July, Prop Connect. What's your perspective about Prop Connect?
We are eagerly waiting for a lot of connections.
Correct.
All the development which we are listening, all the market who's which are coming. There's something major happening
in
the city.
Pune.
So we are waiting, and I'm sure like one of the best speakers, best product will come out of it.
Wow.
As in, there are so many people associated. They will achieve their next level in this meet.
Wow.
So a big learning for us also. We are waiting to see how it is going to unfold.
Correct.
And I'm sure, like the way it has been shaping up, what we are listening, it is going to be one of the hits.
Superb.
I think my only thing is that all should be benefited from this event. Whoever whoever is associated and whoever wants to learn or gain something out of it. So that is my.
Everyone it should be like 7 Habits wala, win-win.
Yes.
Right? It has to be win-win for everyone. All the parties should get something in return.
True.
Correct.
You're putting your hard yards.
Yes, definitely.
As you rightly said before this.
Correct.
That things are getting bigger and bigger.
Yes.
So yes, everybody should be benefited out of it.
Correct. I completely agree. Again, it's a journey, it's a process.
Yeah, it's a process.
If you stick to the process, I'm sure Pune as a market, our intention is to make Pune as a market to be visible to entire India.
Yes.
We want to make Pune as a brand. Because already we are selling good, but we are still not recognized as a metro.
Yes.
We should get that recognition, and once that comes, automatically everyone will benefit.
We need to compete to the brands in the world now.
Wow.
When we have a buyer, we have a consumer, we have a travelers who are coming from the world. So we need to be at that level.
Correct.
So we need to project ourselves better. And our skylines should say that.
Correct.
So whenever a person enters Pune, the skyline should speak for itself.
Correct.
And we are the developer of skyline.
Correct.
So that's where we need to be updated.
Wow. Very well said.
That bond between the realtor and the developer will make that happen.
Correct. Because we have seen this kind of events happening in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Mumbai. Recently, 2 months back, all Prop team was there in Mumbai. So it happens at this scale only. But Pune, this was missing.
Correct.
We have seen the scale. We spend thousands of rupees and we go over there and we see this scale and we are literally in awe कि boss क्या level का event होता है ये. And our president really wanted कि boss, we want to do this kind of event in Pune. And finally we are really excited. We are doing it. So we have started this in Pune as well.
Super excited.
Yes.
I'm sure this is just the beginning.
This is just the beginning. Yes. So now, what's your message for the realtor community from your side?
Keep going. You have our back.
Wow, superb. आगे बढ़ते रहो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
Keep selling.
Wow, superb. That is
the
important. क्योंकि आप बेचोगे तो हम भी आगे जाएंगे.
Absolutely.
Superb. Any last words from your side?
I'll say Rohit.
Yes, Rohit.
He passed me.
छोटे तू आगे जा. तू बोल.
Any last?
Words.
I think real estate has become very professional from where I had joined.
Okay.
It was an unorganized sector. 8-10 साल पहले, बट आज उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हो गया है, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनलिज्म बढ़ गया है रियल एस्टेट.
करेक्ट.
विच आई एम एक्चुअली लविंग इट. पहले बिल्डर ही सब करता था.
अग्री.
अब हर एक चीज़ का एक वो कहते हैं ना
स्पेशलिस्ट हो गया. हाँ.
सेल्स एक स्पेशलिस्ट हो गया है, इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट एक स्पेशलिस्ट चीज हो गई है, एचआर एक स्पेशलिस्ट चीज हो गई है. तो आई एम लविंग दैट एंड इट विल गेट मोर एंड मोर एनहांस्ड. मोर एंड मोर प्रोफेशनलिज्म वुड कम ओवर एंड आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ गुड ब्रेन्स आल्सो कमिंग इन रियल एस्टेट.
ओके.
पहले डेवलपर ही सब कुछ प्लानिंग करता था, सब कुछ करता था, बट आज when we spoke about being collective, being in a team environment, so everybody's thought when it comes up for a project, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा fruitful चीज़ निकलती है when it comes to product for the market. So yeah, I think it is very exciting.
Good for the market.
Absolutely.
Correct.
The last word from my side would be actually two.
Okay.
It is collaborating and networking.
Wow.
And you have laid the stage for that.
Super. So we are allowing entire India to collaborate and network. Relationship build होती है तो business automatically flows.
Growth comes with that.
Growth comes with
collaborating,
correct,
networking.
Yes.
And we have a good stage for that.
Wow.
Looking forward for 6th of July.
Wow, superb.
Let's connect.
Yes, let's connect, let's network, let's grow together.
True.
So thanks a lot, Rajiv and Rohit, for giving us your precious time.
Our pleasure.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Yes.
Good to see you with your witty questions.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you.